What are the top 5 floor scale accessories? Number 1. Weight display. A floor scale isn't very useful without a weight display that is set up and calibrated. There are lots of choices of scale indicators for floor scales. Choose from LCD or LED displays, plastic or stainless steel enclosures. You could also use a counting scale as your weight display. Number 2. Access ramps. The typical floor scale is about 4 inches high. A ramp can make it much easier to roll items onto the scale platform. Number 3. Protective equipment. Floor scales can be prone to damage from forklifts. Adding cable armor can protect the home run cable. Adding bumper guards can protect the scale platform from being run into. Number 4. Remote display. Sometimes when you're using a floor scale, it can be difficult to read the weight display. However, if you add a remote display to your floor scale, just about anyone in the warehouse can see it. Number 5. Printer. If you don't want to add a remote display, then perhaps you would like to add a printer to your scale. Most customers choose either a receipt printer or label printer. Print things like the time and date along with the gross, tear, and net weight. For more information on floor scales and popular scale accessories, be sure to visit centralcarolinascale.com.